Flexibility plans with attendance and deadlines are now completely managed within AccessibleNU's faculty portal, similar to proctoring agreements. When a student in your class is approved for flexibility with attendance or deadlines, you'll be notified through their emailed accommodation letter. In that letter, there will be a link to the ANU faculty portal where you will go to complete the Flex Plan. You can also access the faculty portal by going to northwestern.edu/accessiblenu. Scroll and click the faculty login button and sign in with your NetID and password. In the home box, click Flex Plan. The chart shows the students who have requested flexibility in the class, the type of flexibility they requested, and the date they did so. Not initiated next to a student's name means you haven't yet completed a Flex Plan for that student. There are two types of Flex Plans: flexibility with attendance and flexibility with deadlines. You'll have to complete both of them separately, if applicable. To complete a Flex Plan, click View next to the Not Initiated status. Answer the questions as they apply to your class. If you'd like, you can upload your syllabus. Under Options, you can choose to apply this Flex Plan to every request in that particular class or across all of your courses, meaning you only have to complete each plan once. Finally, click Initiate and Request Review. An ANU advisor will look over the plan and contact you if they have any questions. You'll get an email when the plan has been approved. Once a request has been made, you will get automated reminder emails to complete the Flex Plan every few days until it's complete. Please email accessiblenu@northwestern.edu or call 847-467-5530 with any questions.